Hello there, it's Halo with a mild CMPO report. So we've got two different storms going on. We've got this thing over here, Tropical Cyclone 1 in the Bay of Bengal that is predicted to reach Category 2 hurricane, the equivalent of a Category 2 hurricane status before making landfall in Burma over there. So there's that storm. And this thing, which don't know, could potentially be impact to Madagascar, Loch Reunion, Maurice, and potentially in the future. However, it's a bit far out to tell at this point, but this thing predicted to become category, the equivalent again. Jamala, that's right, this thing is now named, this is now Cyclone Jamala, but this thing predicted to become the equivalent of a category 1 hurricane. So yes, let's take a look at the storm tracker page so we can get the satellite loop on both of these. So here would be Tropical Cyclone 1. So you can't kind of not a whole lot to look at yet. You can kind of see the structure that's going on with that one there. And then if we go on over to Jamala and take a look at there. There we go. So that one there, you can see some stuff. And you can also tell, right, if you paid attention, which I didn't, what's the word? Rotating in different directions. Because one is in the North Indian Ocean, one is in the South Indian Ocean. So they go the wrong direction from each other or something of the sort. Yes. But other than that, that's pretty much all that is going on right now. Today, in severe thunderstorm weather, we've got another significant chance of hail. So first, let's take a look at the watch that's in effect. Though this isn't the only area that's expected to be impacted today, this is actually the only severe thunderstorm watch in effect at the time that I loaded the page anyhow for Texas. Expires at 10 p.m. this evening. As of the time that I loaded the page, we had severe thunderstorm warnings up here, down there in Florida, and then back there in Texas. So all over the country. So let's take a look at the actual probabilities. So this is the wind map. This is showing the probabilities of winds 58 miles per hour or greater, so as high as 15 and 15 there. And a whole bunch of countries connected through this 5% chance. 5% down there for Florida. For hail, here's where we've got the 5% up there, 5% there, and then as high as 30% chance of 1 inch or larger hail today in the red area, with the black hatched area indicating where there's an increased risk of 2 inch or larger hail today. Tornado-wise, however, Texas is the hot zone for that, but hot zone meaning 2% today, which is not a huge number. It's both a huge, but, you know, in terms of severe, like tornado outbreak days, it's a lower type of number. Tomorrow, 15% chance for the far coast. Take a look at the probability. However, a lot more areas affected by a 5%. And of course, by the time that tomorrow rolls around, you know, they could have increased some of these areas. Who knows? But other than that, days 3, days 4 through 8, at least as of now, predicted to be quiet, severe thunderstorm weather-wise. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the screencast. WickedWix is WICKEDWX.com. And Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. That is it for today. There we go. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.